For all intents and purposes, EXO Drones has now flooded the North American market with EXO replica rebranded Hubsan Drones. They now use a Blackhawk2 app, which is basically an ex-Hubsan 2 app re-imaged. The question is, and what we're going to look at here, is will Hubsan Drones fly on the Blackhawk2 app? We're about to find out. Good morning. As you can see, we have the Hubsan Zino Mini SE. White. It's all white. The SE. We're going to start the controller. I'm going to wait my 10 seconds that I normally do when I start the Mini SE. Zino Mini SE, sorry. And we're going to plug it in. Plugged it in, and it says Blackhawk2. We're going to fly it with the Blackhawk2. Bypass that, and it's the EXO Mini, which is the equivalent of the Hubsan Zino Mini SE. We'll enter that, enter the interface, and we will start the craft. We started the craft. Now we're just going to wait for it to connect to the app. And it's connected to the app. We have video, but it says EXO Mini. But obviously it's the Hubsan Zino Mini SE. We're just waiting for 10 satellites. Let's see what happens. There we have enough satellites. Let's get it up and flying. Here we go. Okay. Now it doesn't automatically take off. You have to raise it up.
The home point has been updated. Please be mindful of the new return to home point.
And down. Okay. Now I'm going to switch over to video and look at 1080p at 30. Okay. So the only difference I've noticed is that it doesn't automatically take off. Okay. I do have another video that's different. Maybe the app is different. It had an update. I don't know. Okay, but it's flying. It's hovering. A week ago, I had this experience with the Hubsan Zino Mini SE using the EXO app. It worked. Okay. It's very stable. Okay, very stable. We can bring it down a little bit. Okay, very stable. Okay. So there we go. It's very good. So let's take it up and see if we can get some video. And we have about 65% in the battery. Let's go up. There we go. And we're up about 40 meters or so. Bring that camera down. Okay, turn it around. Okay, let's start that video. Short press doesn't do it. Long press starts the video. Let's just go out a little ways. We'll go out, let's say 100 meters. to say that we can? Okay, there's 100 meters or so. And we can go up higher. Go over 50 meters. And we will return to home.
Return to home.
It's raising to the elevation that was set, and I didn't check it, which was probably 80 meters. There we go, and it's returning. And then when it returns, we'll take a picture or two. There it comes. And it's coming down, and it's within a meter. Okay, let's stop that by pressing the function button. Yep, works the same. It's coming down. Yep. We're still taking the video. Let's stop that video. Short press. Coming down very good. I don't know what that's all about, but we're going to stop that return to home pretty soon.
Cancel return.
Now we're going to take a picture. Go over and take a picture. There we go. You saw the flash and the click. Let's turn it back over and bring it down. So let's try that once again. Very stable. Okay. Under.
Landing.
Okay. We landed. So there you have it. The Hubsan Zino Mini SE in the Blackhawk app does work. So, will it fly? Sure. Are there things I'm not really telling you? Yes, there are. But we're going to have to wait for the next video on that. Anyway, they do fly. The Hubsan Zino Mini SE does fly with the EXO Blackhawk2 app, and it flies very well. I've gone through the apps word for word. They are identical. And as far as I can see, they operate exactly the same. Okay? Till next time.